Hello! Good day! Welcome to CAMACHO'S garden. So, this is our small garden and our yard has been transformed into a vegetable garden for the past 2 months of ECQ. So, meron na kaming mga okra, may mga tanim-tanim na kami dyan. For the past 2 months, nakapapag-harvest na po kami. So today, I'd like to share with you how to plant the mustard spinach na raise na namin dito sa main farm. So we had these seeds that we bought from our visit in Japan last year. At ngayon lang namin nagkaroon ng chance to plant this. So yung mga seeds na to ay nilagay yun sa egg tray. When the plants were like 3 centimeters high, transfer into another container. So the first thing that you'll have to do is prepare your planter. Sample, we have an egg tray where you place soil and place the seeds in each well and water it for a week. After a week, there will be some sprouts like this, almost 3 inches tall, now ready to be transferred to another bigger pot in your house. Just carefully transfer the seedlings on a bigger pot. And in this sample, we have a dozen plants of mustard spinach, which give you like a serving of good for 2 to 3 persons when it will mature enough for you to harvest. Give it until 3 weeks in order for those leaves to grow bigger. From the plots, you have to expose those 2 plots in direct sunlight in order for that to grow well. To water it heavily morning and afternoon in order for that to grow. When the leaves are going to be mature, you can harvest already the mature leaves. Tapos, in-expose na siya dito sa sun after a while. Kasi ang mustard spinach ay talagang nare-raise siya. Direct sunlight saka maraming water. Tapos ito naman, when it's like 2 weeks old na, pwede nang ma-harvest yung mga leaves. And then, in-experiment siya na from here, na nakapag-harvest na twice, ay tinanim siya sa lupa. Kasi, ang mustard spinach pala ay annual plant. And pwede siya na ilagay lang dyan. Then you can just, harvest the baby leaves for all the time. Tapos, hayaan nyo lang siyang lumaki para makaka-harvest na ulit kayo. Makahanap ng mga seeds para yun naman din ang itatanim after. You can harvest the mature leaves that are sprouting at the bottom of your plant, and then let the small leaves grow for 2 to 3 days, and then after another 3 days, you could also harvest another set of leaves. How to do with the leaves that you have harvested? Stir fry it. All you have to do is saute your garlic and then put the leaves on your pan and then put a little bit of water. Cover the pan and then let it simmer for 1 to 2 minutes, and then you already have your delicious vegetable. Blanch your leaves, add it to your pasta to have a certain flavor. Yun, you will already have a lot of vitamin A, vitamin C, and a lot of minerals that comes from your mustard spinach. Hopefully, you could also share with us what are your other recipes for mustard spinach, and then we could share and have some fun, have nutritious food while waiting for the ECQ to be lifted, and to have an enjoyable summer. There are some vegetable packets like this that you can find in Ace Hardware or the Handyman, or maybe in Japan Homes, and it's a nice way to also build your small garden in your home this summer. Enjoy your urban gardening. Kailangan natin ito para sa sustainable food security natin, not only on this season but for the rest of the years na pwede nating mapagkinabangan ang mga vegetables sa ating garden. Bye! Ay!